What is going on, folks? Got me another Kiwi design accessory in the house here, both for my Quest 3 and the Quest 3S. Now, as you can see right here, I actually have Kiwi product right on here and also right on here as well. So yeah, both of these are their other products as well. Totally love their product, really high-end, really high quality stuff, and everything just seemed to work really, really well. And at the same time, all of their product has been really well thought out. Anyway, they sent me this one right here, and they asked me to take a look at it since I have both the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S. So we're gonna go ahead and try this thing on both of those guys and see if it works. Now, the one special thing about this product right here that's brand new that none of these other ones have is an earphone. Something as simple as that, you would think that, you know, the Quest would, you know, automatically have. It doesn't. So this one right here comes with some nice earphones for you. Probably sound better than what's actually come on the Quest itself. So we're gonna take a look at that as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing first. So as I mentioned earlier, it does work with both the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S. If you don't know already, I'll show you where you need to look out for. This accessory like these will work with both, and then some, if they don't have this one little thing on there, it won't work at all on the Quest 3, okay? But I'll show you that in a little bit. Let's take a look here. All right. So it's got the usual back padding right here, and the top is all very padded and plush. If you look at this, really nice. I think it's the same design that they've used for their other ones, this one at least. This right here is a battery strap, and so you're actually getting power to your Quest. And I believe this is the same as the ones I've been using over here, which right now is charging my Quest 3S right there. There is some LED on the top right here, so if you were to plug it in, that will light up. USB-C down at the bottom right here, and this is the adjustable that you can spin there and it'll go in and out. Pretty neat. And then obviously this is the big difference right here. This one has the earphones that if you take a look at this, it goes in and out, so you can put that out, and then when you're ready to play, pop that one in on your ear. Looks like it got some kind of foam right here. That's nice. Actually, not only does this swivel, but this right here, the earphone itself is swiveling as well. The USB-C cord that's charging the headset actually comes out and plug into here. We'll look at that in a little bit. But yeah, that's the basic right there. I'll put that together in a bit. Let me see what else I'm missing here. There's a bunch of warranty guides and things like that. So I think we're good there from the box. So to attach this right here, I'm going to show you real quick. It's pretty much the same as all the other straps that I've had. You've got these little groove right here. What we're going to do is we're going to snap this thing into it. There you go, that snap. And that's the snap right there. If you guys want to remove this, obviously unplug, and then all you got to do is this right here, this little section right here on the Quest. This is the Quest 3, by the way. You just got to pop this thing. Let me see if I can get that on the camera. Right there. Once you pop that, this entire thing just comes right out. Same thing on the other side. Just like break it. I mean, don't literally break it, but you know what I'm saying. And then the strap, oh yeah, with this right here, what I recommend is taking this mask out. So the mask piece of it, you can actually just pull it straight out. I think you need a little squeeze to it for it to come out. Okay, that didn't come out very good. Here we go. Kind of just have to pull it out. And that's it. All right, so for the 3S, you gotta pop it right over here. Same thing on this side. So for the 3S, I don't have to take the mask face off at all. All right, so there you have it. There's the two right there. So as you can see, there's this round hole on the right hand side, and then there's the bigger oval hole on the left hand side right here. Okay, now if you look at the 3, the Quest 3 has this, and then it has the round hole over there. So this right here would effectively fit this thing perfectly, because it's kind of, the holes are made for the Quest 3. Now with the Quest 3S, it doesn't have the hole on this side right here on the right hand side. It only has the oval hole that's on the left hand side. And so any accessory that you get that has this hole on the right hand side should work with both devices, 3S and 3. All right, all of them should have this oval hole over here. So just an FYI on that one. If you look at an accessory and you see that there's a hole right here, it should work with both products, 3S and 3. Okay, let's drop this thing on the 3S, aligning up the hole. So let's go ahead and do that here. There you go. It just kind of snaps in on both sides right there. All right, so the one thing about this headset, and I noticed that with some of my other, well, I guess most of my strap that I have, the joint right in the middle right here, you can actually tilt. So let's say if you were to wear your headset like this, you can actually tilt this up, talk to people, you know, see what you're trying to see, and then tilt it back down. So that's kind of a signature design right there that you should be looking for if you're looking for any VR headset strap. All right, yeah, it goes up and then comes back down. Or, you know, depending on how you wear it, you can actually wear it like kind of like this right here, if that's more comfortable for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in to get a charge in there. So see, as soon as I plug that in, the battery light up. I have 3 out of 4 bars right here. Before I put this thing on, let's take a look at some of the other features that's on here. There is a switch right over here where you can go headset mode or you can go speaker mode, which probably change it to the speaker that's on the headset itself. So FYI on that one, there is a switch on here. But volume, changing volume and things like that, you already have that on the 3S, so it shouldn't be a problem there. And also I think the 3 already have that down here as well. So, and then let's pop this thing on here. Let's go ahead and make it as big as possible because my head is super big. And then depending on how you like it, it fits like all my other Kiwi headsets, so I have no complaints there. It's always been really comfortable. So here, the headset, I can pull this down and it's right on my ear now. Yeah. Then I can move it up. Now I can hear everyone. So it's got a really nice soft hugs around your ears there. What do you guys think? All right, so the next thing I want you guys to take a look at right here is how fast this thing is charging. Now, not only is it charging the battery at full capacity, as you can see right now, it's running at about 28 watts at a time. So if you want to, it could charge both devices at the same time. So look at that, 32 watt. It jumps 30 watts, 32 watt, 33 watt right there. Also add about 13 watt right there, 14 watts. Now the headset right now is sitting at about 88%, so it may even be faster than that if I was to run the headset dry before I do this test. Anyway, that's what that means right there when it says dual charging. It charges the battery pack and also the headset all at the same time at high speed. So there you go, guys. That's Kiwi design right there. The model on this one is the K4 Duo. That's the one with the headsets. Okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.